Hey, what is up? It's Jason here. Sorry that there's so much light in front of my face. It's really bright outside and there isn't much I can do about it. But we're back with another unboxing video. And this time it isn't military surplus. I don't know when my military surplus stuff is supposed to come in. I just ordered a bunch of stuff. Again, have no idea when that's supposed to come in. It came overseas. There's a little bit of logistics behind that. But anyways, let's jump right into it. We have a package. I'm pretty sure... Let me see if I can... There we go. Gotta get the brightness out of the way. Now, you can't really see anything pertaining as to where it came from. This is as much as a mystery to me as it is to you. So, without further ado, let's open it. But I have a hunch that I think what I think it is. Perhaps we don't need a scissor for everything. Oh my. I think it's here. A while back, I think last month, my brother donated a MacBook to me because his school gave him a free MacBook. And this computer is kind of getting old. The screen's kind of popping out. It's running kind of slow because I've used up so much space. So I figured, what better way than to get some accessories for my new MacBook? Well, was my brother's MacBook, but now it's my MacBook, but you get the idea. I ordered stuff from the Lo-Fi Girl merch website, as you can see right here. This, I'm guessing, is supposed to be the hard shell for the MacBook. And then this is supposed to be a pouch that you can put your MacBook in. My MacBook came in a box in the original packaging that MacBooks usually come in. It was taking up way too much space in my closet because I have a lot of stuff that I'm still trying to sort out. This is really neat. Ooh, look at that. I might save that bag for later for something. I don't know what, but look at that. A little pouch for the MacBook. Isn't that neat, huh? I liked it. It has that homey nighttime type of vibes. And it even has the little Lo-Fi Girl logo right there. That's cool. Not much special to it. I just thought it looked cool and I figured it was something I had to have. So that way I can finally get rid of that box for once. This is supposed to be the hard shell. So we're just gonna open it right up. Here we have a bunch of slips. You guys probably can't see. Hopefully you guys can see it, but I guess what it is it's just like a thank you letter, thank you card. No discounts, unfortunately. And this is the hard shell for the MacBook Air. Look at that. That's cool. Now in the back on the little sticker thingamajig, again, you guys can't see because it's so bright out. It's in Chinese, so I'm guessing that this product was made in China. Either way, still cool. I like it. I am going to put this on my MacBook so that way, you know, it protects the MacBook itself and it looks pretty cool as well. That's all we have. Just a bunch of stuff from the Lo-Fi Girl merch website. I'm thinking of buying more stuff from there. They have some really cool stuff. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you think about the Lo-Fi Girl merch stuff that I bought for my MacBook. Looks pretty cool. I rated it a 10 out of 10. Looks really nice. It came in a perfect condition, which is what I like to see as a customer, as a recurring customer. But so yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. I'm currently in the middle of editing another video, and that should be up hopefully soon. I haven't been editing in like 2 weeks because my internet was kind of garbo, and then my dad switched over to a new service provider, I think, or maybe just got a new modem. We got rid of the cable finally because I don't use cable anymore. I use Hulu and whatever other streaming services that I might get in the future. Again, yeah, so I have internet now. You should see a lot more uploads soon rather than later because I have a lot on here and I want to get back into my normal routine of things. You know what I mean? Have a great morning, afternoon, or evening wherever you are in the world. Hopefully you're watching all of my other stuff from previous days, months, years. I don't know. Sorry for the video quality. The sun's literally blasting in my face and there's not much I can do about it. You get what you get, you know what I mean? I'll see you guys later.